Hey guys, hello and welcome. I believe you have installed the software by now. If you find any problem installing the software, you can contact with the service team. They'll help you out in installing the software. So let us start with the syllabus. We'll first check the syllabus. So this is the syllabus for AutoCAD Civil. So as you can see, first of all, we'll give an introductory session on AutoCAD. Then the graphic user interface. We have uses of coordinate system, like with the help of this absolute, relative and polar coordinate system, we are able to draw different types of drawings in AutoCAD. I'll create a separate video for that. Then comes units, that is how to set the drawing units. Then setting up of the limits, that is the page setup. Then we have few function keys. AutoCAD is actually a command-based software. So we can use these shortcut keys and function keys while drawing in AutoCAD. After that comes the use of mouses. So the mouse functions, different types of selections, and then calling the toolbars. So this command I have introduced because if you will see the earlier versions of AutoCAD prior to 2009, you won't see this draw and modify commands. These are the draw and modify commands. You won't be able to see those commands. So for those people who are using the backdated version of AutoCAD, they will be using this command. I'll be showing you. For them, I have included this command. So after that, we have few draw toolbars like line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, ellipse. These are few draw toolbars. Then we have the modification toolbars like copy, move, rotate, mirror. These are few modification commands like array. Different types of array we have. Different commands like point, point style. Then we have hatch. Few other modification commands. Then how to do the dimensioning, providing distance to different objects, and how to write text, how to provide layers, how to calculate the area, how to calculate the number of items. So these are the draw and modification toolbars. Then we have this introduction to building drawing, that is the civil portion. Civil AutoCAD is required for this purpose. So we have to create like preparation of own plan of a two-storied residential building. So this is actually for your practice. You have to create a two-storied residential building plan, which should contain the plan view, floor plan of the individual floors with detailed drawing and drafting, with furniture layout, and along with the terrace or the roof plan. Then you have to create the elevations, that is individual elevations views, east, west, north, south, all the views you have to create. Then we'll come to the sectional part. So in our drawing, sectional view is necessary to show the detailed dimensions or the detailed drawings. So the section of a stair or sectional elevation of a stair is a must. So will be doing that. And a sectional drawing should contain the details about doors, windows, ventilators, beams, and other details which are required for construction. Then we have this fixing of the column positions and creating a layout of the beam and column along with the footing. We'll have to create the sectional elevations of the same as well. So here you can see typical beam and column details cross section. These are also covered. Details about doors, windows, ventilators, types of stairs, that will be provided from our side. Then again we have a few commands. So those commands will be done. Then we have this plot, publish, layout, or the data exchange format. So this is the entire AutoCAD 2D syllabus that we are going to cover.